What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, Parker acted like I didn't know these were here yet, but y'all, I had already had mine picked out. All right, y'all, on this little guy, I'm going to use my metal hole punch, and I'm going to poke a hole in 2 different places, probably 3. So I'm going to go 1 down here. We're going to get 1 up here in the top. Oh, you know what? On the top, they have a little doohickey, so we don't have to add 1 there. And I'm going to get 1 down here in the bottom corner. All right, let's get him added. I'm going to get him as far over here as I can. Y'all, just working my pipe cleaners through the grapevine. Y'all, if your pipe cleaner doesn't want to go through your grapevine, get a pair of needle nose pliers and work it in there. And you can easily pull it back out. Y'all, I wanted to get my elf on here first, so that way I could judge the spacing that I'm going to put on this side. So y'all, we're going to take our pipe cleaners, make them some little U-shapes, and we're just going to start adding them to our grapevine over here. All right, getting twisted off here. Now, I like to put mine about 5 to 6 inches apart. For me, that's about a hand width. So I'll add my next set of pipe cleaners right here. Y'all, I want to try to get probably 2 more of these on here. Y'all, now I'm going to take some 21-inch mesh. So I'm going to make a pretty big poof at the top. Y'all, it's a 16-inch grapevine. Y'all, then we're going to do about 8 to 10-inch poofs all the way down. I'm going to cut this one a little bit longer than I need because I want to fold it back under to get the same type loop that we had on the other end. So now we've got half grapevine, half deco mesh. Y'all, I'm going to cut some of our deco mesh into strips. We're going to cut these about 12 to 14 inches. We're going to curl this up, make it into a little tube. Then we're going to fold it over so that it looks like a little Jesus fish, right? The little head with 2 tails. And we're just going to add that right into our twist. This piece here is smashing this mesh down to make it look a lot more condensed. Let's start with a bow. Y'all, this we want to be a little bit bigger than normal. So we're going to do about a 12-inch tail. We're going to do about a 6.5 to 7-inch loop. All right, so I did 2 layers. Yo, I don't really have a rhyme or reason to our layering. Y'all, we're gonna use this to make a little center loop. We're gonna tie off our bow. This is our bow. We're gonna add this bigger bow right down here in this spot, right here to cover up that little wonky spot. Let's trim these tails. Y'all, on top of that bow, we have 3 smaller spots for bows. Y'all, this is basically going to be a funky bow type. About a 6-inch loop. So it's just a loop in 2 tails. All right, y'all, look how pretty that's going to be together. So we have 2 more to add and fill all this in. All right, we'll get our last bow added up here at the top. So y'all, now I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna start dovetailing all my ribbon tails. All right, let's look at it, see if we like it. Y'all, you could totally sell this just like it is. I'm gonna work some of this greenery right in here around these bows. Y'all, so by adding this greenery, I want to make it the whole wreath look a little bit bigger. Y'all, I'm also going to take a little bit of this cypress greenery, break that down a little bit. Also, we're just adding a blob of glue in there and then finding a spot and working the cypress right in. But I also picked up a few other things, like gift boxes, because what's an elf without gifts? However, I wasn't expecting it to be quite so thick when I first envisioned the gift boxes, so I don't know if they're still going to work. But maybe what I can do is if I take out the little swirly pick from the bottom and I get just a regular stick like this and make it a pick, we can use it as a pick in there. All right, so y'all, I just ran that pick through the back. Gonna shoot it with some hot glue and trim that stem down. All right, so I might do one here, one somewhere in this area, and maybe one more at the top. And we're gonna get this last one added up here at the top. All right, let's check it out. So my thought process here was having the little elf like peeking out behind a Christmas tree. All right, y'all, that's it. I'm gonna get some pictures of this one. I'm gonna get it listed on Etsy, and then I'm gonna head home. You guys have a great night.